Hello students, I'm Sister Mary here. Welcome to 9th Maths and CRT Chapter 1 Number Systems. Today we will study from exercise 1.3 question 1. Write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion each has. Already we have seen the 3 sums. Now the remaining other 3 sums we will see today. We have to find out what kind of decimal expansion, whether it is of terminating or non-terminating recurring, right? So let's begin. First, fourth one, that is we divide 3 by 13. So what we'll get, this is a smaller number, so we put 0 and a point, and when we add a point, we add 1 0. So now in 30, how many times 13s are there? 2 13s are 26. And what we will get? We'll get 4 as a remainder. Again, as per division rule, this is small, we can easily add 1 0. So in 40 now, 3 times we have 13. So 3 13s are 39. And the remainder will get 1. So then we add easily 1 0 we can add as per division rule. But still, when we added 1 0, still it is a smaller number. The divisor is bigger number. Therefore, we can't divide. So to add 1 more 0, we have to add 1 more 0 here. Now, in 100, how many 13s we have? 7 times 13 will have 91. And then from 191 minus, we'll get 9. Now, we can add 1 more 0. And then 6 times 13 will have 78. And from 90 if we minus 78, we'll get 12. And then again it is smaller number, we can add 1 0. And then we'll get 9 times 13, 117. So if we minus, we'll get 3. Now you see, again we are back to 3. And then if we add 0, 30 we will get, and then 30 if we get, again the whole procedure will continue. That means again the whole thing will be getting repeated. Therefore, we can stop it here, because 30 again will start and the whole procedure will start, and again we'll get the repetition of this quotient. So finally, what kind of decimal expansion is this? 3.13, we got the decimal expansion 230769. It's going to be repeated, the whole thing. Therefore, it is what type? Non-terminating recurring. Okay, let's see now the next one. That is, we have to divide 2 by 11. So now it's a smaller number. To add 1 0, we put the point. Okay, so how many 11 we have? 1 time 11. So 1 time 11 will have 20 minus 11. 9, so we can add 1 0. Then 8 times 11 will get 88, and then the remainder will be 2. Again the remainder 2. If we add 0, again the whole procedure will start the same. So we stop it here. So now what type of decimal expansion is this? 2 upon 11 we got 0.18, and 18 is going to be repeated the same way if we add 0 here. So this is what type? Non-terminating recurring. Okay, let's see quickly the last one. The last one is, that is to divide 3 to 9 by 400. So now again it is a smaller number, so we add 1 0. For that we will put point here. So 1 0 we added. Now what we will get? 8 times 400 will get 200. So if we minus, we'll get 9. Sorry, 0 9. Yeah. So 0 9 will get. So now it is smaller number, so we will add one more 0. So we will get 2 times, we'll get 800. So then minus 0 0 1. So we'll have 100. Now 100 is smaller number, so add one more 0. And then we will get again 2 times 800 and then 0 0 2. So again it is a smaller number, so we add one more 0. Then 5 times 400 will get. So our remainder will be 0. So what type of decimal expansion is this? 329 upon 400, we are getting 0.8225. The remainder is 0. Then what type of decimal expansion? Yes, it is terminating, because it's an end, full stop already. It's not going to repeat it again, therefore it is terminating. I hope students you understood. God bless you.